Oracle Database 11G Express Edition is an entry-level, small footprint database that can be installed locally and run either from the command line or with its companion, GUI, SQL Developer. To download the database, go to the download page, click on the Accept License Agreement, and select your appropriate version. In most instances, the Windows x64 version will suffice. When the download is complete, double-click on the installation zip file to complete the application. Once installed, open a terminal window and you can use this command to start your Oracle database service. You may stop the Oracle database service using the netstop command as illustrated. Once the application has started, you may log into SQL Plus using the command line with you as a sysdba. Following that, you receive the SQL prompt and can then connect to your database.